Bicol Express is typically made with pork and is supposed to be so spicy your mouth goes numb with each bite. This recipe is made with chicken and not as many chilies because I want to have a good time while eating Bicol Express and, well, you know what spicy does in the toilet. Welcome back to this channel where you learn how to make Filipino food with easily accessible ingredients. If you want to take on the challenge of cooking one Filipino dish a week for 4 weeks, click on the link in the description below. Let's get started. Grab a medium-sized pan and heat up a tablespoon of oil. Once heated, throw in 4 cloves of minced garlic and half of a chopped onion. Saute until the onions get nice and sweaty, then throw in 1 pound of chopped chicken thigh meat. Brown the chicken on all sides, then throw in 1 tablespoon of shrimp paste. I am warning you, do not skip the shrimp paste. It takes the flavor of this dish on a whole nother level, and a level that salt just can't. Mix the shrimp paste throughout the chicken and follow that up with 1 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Once it's nice and mixed, dump in 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Coconut milk dishes are the best. Okay, so here's the chilies. I only used 2 of the skinny Thai chili peppers and 1 of the fat Thai chili pepper. To be honest, I could probably put a couple more chilies in this one because it was pretty mild. But oh my gosh, other recipes were recommending to put in 9 total chilies. And I was like, hold up, not in this house. Now get that all mixed up and just allow this to continue simmering for another 10 to 15 minutes on low heat until the coconut milk thickens up and all the flavors seep into each other. Whoa, look at all the fat that surfaced. This should be all good and ready to serve. Bicol Express is one of those dishes where I do not skip the rice. It tastes so good with rice and you're probably gonna need it if you're making it spicy, the way Bicol Express should be. I was so surprised by how easy it was to make Bicol Express, and it requires very minimal ingredients. So I hope that you decide to make this recipe at home. And again, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe so that you can get notified of our weekly videos, and I'll see you next week. Bye!